Hi everyone, it's Mentorita here, and here is your video for our phonics sound this week. Our phonics sound this week is the air sound, okay? Now it's the air sound, but it's actually spelled A or E, all right? There is a word that we all know and it's air, and that's spelled A-I-R. But our sound for this week, these three letters together, sometimes in some words make an air sound, okay? And that's what we're looking at right now. Now, first of all, I want you to look at the picture here on the page. It looks a little bit like a rabbit, doesn't it? But it's not a rabbit, it's another small animal, and it has an air sound in its name. It has longer ears than a rabbit and longer hind legs, so longer back legs than a rabbit, and it is called a hare, okay? Now, what I want you to do now is I want you to go over to your spelling list and I want you to fill in the A or E and the air sound and sound out those words that are missing the letters there for me. You will see then at the very bottom we have two words that you know, milliliter and litre, and we use those in our capacity for maths this year. So when you have that done, you can come over here and practice your spellings for those words. And then, as you know, the next thing you're going to do is pick a list word that matches in with our sentences here, okay? Now, the very final part of this page to do is to read the story here at the bottom of the page, okay? And that story is missing some capital letters, it's missing full stops, it's missing an exclamation mark. Some of the words are spelt incorrectly, and it might be missing a comma or two as well. So I'd like you to proofread it, so that means read it over a couple of times and see how many mistakes you can find in it and see if you can fix them. Now the page for the workbook that you all have is page 27, and I know that you'll do a fantastic job on that.